Mom?
Rock, sell it right.
Here we go. Here we go.
I'm Donna Haim, and I am the mother of Este, Danielle, and Alana Haim, and I'm very excited to teach you how to make my latkes.
3, 2, 1. Latkes. Mom, who's your favorite?
Don't even go there.
It's me.
You want me to say you.
It is me.
I've been with you the longest.
I know. And then you had to go and mess everything up when I was 3 and have 2 more daughters.
Mom, that was an incredible intro. Thank you for that.
Good job,
intro,
Mom.
Good job, Mommy. Danielle's the best cook.
Danielle's the best cook.
She's really
Thanks,
good.
guys.
That's not a competition.
And by far, I'm the worst one. I'm the worst cook. I think this is actually the first time I'm using my kitchen, like ever. So what we've learned on this call is that Este's your favorite, Danielle's the best cook, and I just might as well leave this family.
The idea behind latke is just a potato pancake. A lot of people do it just on the holidays. It's like for the Hanukkah. So what I've done so far to prepare for the latkes is 4 potatoes and a half of a large onion. And I've left it on a strainer with a paper towel. I'm just gonna feed it down with a tool. Here.
I don't have a processor. I'm gonna grate my onion.
I have my potatoes.
I grated my onion and I'm starting to cry.
All 3 of them, I have to say, growing up, used to love to help me in the kitchen. I'm not an amazing cook.
What? Mom, you're an incredible cook.
Yeah, I'm ahead of the game. My potatoes are wrung out and they're ready to go.
From the time the kids were little, I think my husband found them instruments and said that we were going to make a family band. And we started the Rockinhaim band. And we played for charity. Alana got whatever we needed. Este got the bass. Danielle got the guitar. It was wonderful as a parent because you got to spend time with your kids. I don't know if they would say the same thing.
At the time,
I have the potatoes and the onions. They're mixed in. What's the next step?
Okay, let's do the eggs. Yeah, let's do 4.
oh, I got a shell.
No.
Oh.
Then you're gonna want to put a little baking powder in.
How much baking powder, Mama?
I have 2 teaspoons here. And then you're gonna put in a half a cup of flour.
Half a cup,
You're
okay.
gonna sprinkle that in. And then you're gonna mix it up.
Okay, mix it in.
I feel like every dish that I own is just gross.
And then salt and pepper.
Also, sisters, we don't want these too salty because the salmon is salty.
Agreed, Este.
Right.
Agreed. Mommy, does that look good?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're doing the oil, Mom.
Yeah, I think you want to heat it up because we're ready to go.
So you want it to cover the whole pan, basically.
Yeah. Now, how do you know when the oil is ready? You want to put a few drops of water in, and if it springs back, it's ready for the latke.
Oops. Quarantine happened, and I think we had, huge plans to tour the world this year, and obviously we can't because it's not safe. But yeah, I think this time kind of made us go back to the drawing board. I mean, especially with the I Know Alone music video, we have like crazy ideas for that song.
How can we do a music video with no one on set or not even have a set? Yeah, we just went into our backyard with no crew and did the dance tutorial, and that was the music video.
I mean, look at these babies cook.
Ah! How do you know when to flip the latke?
Peek it up, and if it's golden brown, put it up. Oh,
Mommy, I burned myself.
Get it together, Este.
Esty,
I
what
burned
you
myself.
do? You should have a plate with a paper towel ready to put it on because you want to take some of the oil out.
Mom, you can for sure take credit for giving us our dancing skills. I think you and Dad equally.
That kitchen is where we learned how to do the hustle. Do the hustle. Dun, 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 dun.
Cooking, dancing, Mustang Sally, I'm here to help out. How are you guys doing? How are those
Good,
latkes
doing
looking?
great. I flipped over my latke. They're actually doing good.
Team effort.
It's a team effort.
Can't make the dream work without teamwork.
I feel like in the beginning of quarantine, I really made sure that I put on outfits but like I got out of my PJs to do FaceTime calls, and now I'm just full. I mean, I think this is the first time I've put on clothes in a couple of days, for sure.
Are you seeing this, Mom? Look at this. Look at my latkes. And then I'm gonna open my smoked salmon and my sour cream.
Here's my
Oh,
plate.
Mom, they look great.
I'm gonna put sour cream on my latkes because that's how I like it. I like it savory.
Esty, I heard you were playing guitar these days. You're trying to take my spot in the band.
Too late. I already did take your spot in the band. If I had more limbs, I could probably play guitar and bass.
You've always just wanted it to be the Esty show. Is this what's coming out right now?
It is the Este show, everyone. It's never not been the Este show.
Hello, everybody.
Hi, Dad.
Did you tell these people I'm always with the
What?
latkes?
What?
No, we told you.
Dad, that's not true.
That's not true. You guys do them together. Look at that.
Let me see. They passed the dad test.
Nice.
Very good.
Cheers, family.
Cheers,
Love you.
family. Mom, this is delicious.
I love you,
Mom,
Mom.
you're a star. You're a star, Mom.
We're gonna do a samba.
Dad.
Hey!